In this example, we're going to learn how to work with composite dimensions. To use the composite dimension function, simply click on the icon and start by selecting where you want your origin to be. In this case, I'm going to choose the y-axis of my 0, 0, and then choose the first item to dimension to. When you first start using this dimensioning function, all the dimensions are going to come up as what's called a baseline dimension. So whatever you select, it's going to add dimensions in this style. However, at any time, you can simply click on the combo box in the prompt line and change the dimensioning strategy. For example, let's say we want ordinate dimensions instead. And I'll just simply select all the items that you want to be in your dimension string. When you're finished, you can choose other dimension set if you want. Select here and choose vertical instead, and continue on adding all of the ordinate dimensions that are important to you. Now, let's say you come back and you decide, oops, I forgot to add a dimension. How do you add one into these strings? You're going to hit the hammer for insert, select the dimension string that you want to insert something into, and just start selecting the items that you want to include. With respect to, or in the same regards, to pull a dimension out, simply select the extract icon and select the dimension that you no longer want. At any time, you can come back and modify the dimension strings and change the type of dimension that it is. If you want to add a note to a dimension, for example, like let's look at this one, I can select it, modify only this dimension, hit the look button, and click in the suffix area and say typical 3 places, why not? And now you'll see the note added to the dimension.